In this video, I'll show you how to activate your license in OrCAD in case you're running into any license issues. So let's say you try to start OrCAD, right? And then it will give you some type of error that says you can't open it or license not retrievable or something. Now, mine pulled up, but the first thing you want to do is go into your LM Tools software. So you click the Start button, type LM Tools, click Yes. And then you would go to Start, Stop, Read, this tab, click Stop Server. Once you click Stop Server, you want to wait at least 10 seconds. 20 is more than enough. Then hit Start Server. Once you hit Start Server, your software might cause your computer or the software itself to hang up a little bit, but that's okay. Just wait. And in about 30 seconds, I would even wait up to a minute if necessary for that to go away. And once you're done with that, you will have your software pulling up. So we're going to open Capture CIS, and you'll know that it's working once you see this option for your licenses.